Hey guys, it's Gaby here. I was just in New Zealand researching some facts. I just found out that New Zealand has the world's smartest bird, the Kia. Why are these birds so smart? Just watch these Kia solve these puzzles. Pretty amazing, right? Scientists compare the Kia's brain to that of a chess player. Most animals use trial and error.
Ow! What was that? Maybe this time. But
Kias are so smart that first they study the puzzle, then they go straight for the right answer. After a Kia finishes a puzzle, another one can finish it way faster, just by watching his buddy. Kias are incredibly curious. They're called the clowns of the mountains. They steal unguarded clothing and even pry apart cars.
Kias are famous as vandals.
So be thankful you don't have to worry about your car getting ripped apart by birds.